Hello, welcome again to Roz Menagerie. Today I have another donation laptop. It's a Dell Latitude 5420, and I'm going to be taking it apart and putting in a 256 gig SSD and getting this thing ready for donation. It actually looks like it's in really good shape and shouldn't take much work at all. I'm going to take the back panel off now. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips head screws. They're the kind that do not come out completely unless you force it, so I'll be leaving them in. There is a seam right here that I'm going to use to go in. And I used the metal pry tool to get it started, but once I did, I switched over to a plastic pry tool just to help protect the cover. Then once I had enough of a gap, I just was able to pop it off with my fingers. Okay, inside, here's the hard drive, here's the SSD memory DIMMs. It's got an extra spot for an extra DIMM. So we've got it here. This is a 16 gig DIMM. That should be fine. I'm going to leave that in and not make any changes to that. But I am going to take this off. I have the new one mounted, and I'm actually going to power it up before I put the cover back on. Powered up just fine. So I'm going to put the back cover back on. Shut it down first. Press this down as it'll click into place and you push around that side. And just tighten the screws. Well, that one was quick and easy, and I like it that way sometimes, to just slap an SSD in there and make sure Windows is good to go, and this thing is ready to be donated. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it's helpful to someone. But thanks for watching.